Hello friends, I've had a busy start to the new year, so I want to show you an easy, comforting, veganized Japanese recipe, mushi pan, also known as Japanese steam cakes. I'll be showing you how to make 3 different delicious flavors. Let's get baking. Measure out the plain flour and the baking powder in advance. In a bowl, measure out the vegan yogurt, non-dairy milk, a neutral tasting vegetable oil, and sugar. Whisk together until the sugar dissolves. Add in vanilla extract if desired. Next, sift in the dry ingredients. For matcha steam cakes, prepare the wet ingredients the same way. Then sift in the dry ingredients with 2 teaspoons of matcha powder added in. Prepare the chocolate steam cakes the same way, this time with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder added in. Now, whisk all of the batters until smooth. If you'd like, you can gently fold in some chocolate chips to the chocolate batter. Now that the batters are ready, turn on your stove to high heat to boil some water in a tall pot. Spoon the batter into 4 silicone cupcake liners until they are about 3/4 full. If you don't have silicone cupcake liners, you can also put your cupcake liners into small ramekins and spoon the batter in there. If you want to have extra fun, you can pipe little designs onto your mushi pan batter before steaming. This takes practice, but they can come out really kawaii. When ready, place your liners or ramekins into the pot. Take the heat down to its lowest setting. Cover the top of the pot with a lid wrapped in a towel and steam for about 10 to 11 minutes. When the time is up, take off the lid to check on your steamy babies. In the case that they look like they're smiling or have burst open tops, there might not have been enough water in the pot, or the heat might have been too high. They're still very yummy this way though. If you get all of the conditions right, you should end up with little smooth cakes like this. Finish them in any way you'd like, or eat them right away. They taste best freshly steamed. How do you like your super soft, warm mushi pan? In my house, they disappeared as fast as the steam in the air. I hope you enjoyed them. Please remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more vegan baking content. Thank you for watching.